Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this bottle cover. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was a basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see we will use back thread. See this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Take this rounds as many as we have to cover the bottom of a bottle. See this. So if your bottle is bigger one, take one more round, and pattern will be same, two double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Okay, now after that we will make a single crochet stitch in the stitch, that slip stitch itself where we have joined, and then we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, skip 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. Again 3 chain crochet stitches, skip 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. There, see, again 3 chain crochet stitches. So like this pattern we have to go all around the circle. Okay, so make a single crochet stitch, then 3 chain crochet stitches, and then skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet stitch in the third stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Now here we are done with complete round. Okay, so this is how it looks. Again this is the last chain I'm making, then again 3 chain crochet stitches, and we will make a skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet stitch. Now see, we are done with this round. Now comes our pattern. So our pattern is of 2 rounds, and we have to go on repeating those 2 rounds. Okay, now we will make 2 chain crochet stitches, and we will make a single crochet stitch around the middle chain of that chain of 3. Okay, now all single crochet stitches we are going to make around the middle chain, a middle stitch of that chain of 3. See, around the middle stitch of chain of 3. Again I'll make 3 chain crochet stitches, Then for single stitch I will make it around the middle stitch of that chain of 3. Okay, now this I have to do while complete. Before that, please put a marker on that chain of 2. We have made 2 chain crochet stitches, that small chain of 2 chain crochet stitches. Please place a marker over there. First I will complete this round and I'll show you. See, my round is complete. Now see, this is the first round of the pattern. Yeah, see, this is that chain of 2. Okay, we made the chain of 2 and joined a stitch in the middle of we made a single crochet stitch in middle middle stitch of the chain of 3. Now we will skip that chain of 2 and in next stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. Again, around that middle stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. We are skipping that chain of 2. So like in one round we will make that chain of 2. Please put marker on that chain of 2. Okay, and in next round we will skip that chain of 2. Okay, now again that same pattern goes. 3 chain crochet, make 1 single crochet stitch followed by 3 chain crochet stitch, and that single crochet stitch we will make around the second stitch of the chain of 3. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. These are the 2 rounds we have to go on repeating. Always place a marker on that chain of 2. Okay, in one round you make that chain of 2. You start with that chain of 2. In next round you skip it. So like or else if you don't do this process, either your that circle will go on reducing or it will go on increasing. So once you have to make that chain of start with that chain of 2, in next you have to skip that chain of 2. Just remember this pattern and always place a marker, or else we have confusion and we go on making our chains. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, this is how it is going to look. See, it is coming exactly to a bottle circumference. Okay, go on making those rounds till you complete then cover up that complete height of your bottle, whatever bottle you are using. Okay, now in after that we will just make a round border. So just keep 2 loops on the needle and pull your new yarn from those 2 loops at once and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, after this make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch all around the circle, all around the round. 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this complete round and I'll show you. Just remember 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. See, now here we are done with that border, but see this down stitches, see this, it don't look good. So we will just stretch a loop and we will make a slip stitch in the downside of every stitch. See, I am making a slip stitch in downside of every stitch. So like it is coming like a border now, or else the stitches were seen. It don't look good. Okay, so go on making one slip stitch in each single stitch in downside of that stitch. So this is how it looks. Now we get a straight line. We can't see those stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this. And once that slip stitch round is complete, here we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Again we will stretch a loop, and now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch on the upper side of that complete round. See, now I am making in upper side. First I made it in down. Now I am making in upper side. Okay. So it's like one slip stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this round also. I will show you. See, now here I am done with that upper round also. See, now it looks like a border. Okay. Now we need to hold this back. So either you can make a complete chain like a sling bag. So make the chain crochet stitches as long as you need it around your shoulder, or if you want to hold it in your hand, or if you want to hang it somewhere, so make chain crochet stitches as long as you will need. Okay, and join it to the opposite side with a slip stitch. When you are done with that many chain crochet stitches, join it to the opposite side with a slip stitch. Okay, here we join it. After that we make two slip stitch in one in each. Okay, and then go on making one double crochet stitch. We are just making a broader handle. Okay, so now go on making one double crochet stitch in each single stitch around that chain which we are making for either sling bag or for like hanging it in somewhere. When we are done, skip a stitch and join it with a slip stitch. There goes, your handle is also complete. Okay, now just cut those yarns, all extra yarns, just cut it, and now you can put your bottle. So this is how you can hang it, or like you can give to your kids to hang to their bicycle and all. Okay, it's good. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment and share, and those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe Sanjs Aasha, like, comment and share. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.